Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, Core Faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And here I'm going to explain to you what will be going on March 7th during the occurrence of the full moon. The full moon will take place on Tuesday, and then the timing is 7:40 a.m. I kept the place for New York. What is interesting in this astrological chart is the fact that there's a ton of planetary bodies that are lined up, just ready to go into the first house. The first house is Aries, so there's a lot of going back to the beginning, kind of understanding what that means, a lot in the 12th house going into the first. So let's take a look at which planetary bodies are there and what that might represent in terms of the rest of the chart. So like I said, there's all of these planetary bodies in this quadrant. 12th house is typically the house of death, and then going into Aries regeneration. So Venus, let's take a look at first Aries Venus, where Mars is. And Mars is located in the third house. So the third house is possessions and everything. So another thing that I wanted to make note of is that Libra, in the 7th house, the ruler of Libra is Venus. So there's a connection between the Aries-Venus polarity, where this is going to be playing a crucial role within this next lunar cycle. Jupiter is enhancing the connection between Venus and the first house. The other aspect to make note of is Saturn with Mercury. Mercury is an Aries sign, an Aries planetary body, and Saturn is trying to kind of consolidate that and make learning more long-term rather than just a kind of short-term understanding. So this is higher education. So Neptune, of course, makes the sun more nebulous. The moon, full moon, there's always the sun and the moon opposing each other. So you have the sun kind of and the moon aspecting with Neptune. So that brings a little bit of a confusion as to what is to be taking place. But if you're familiar with the other planetary bodies, then you should be good to go. So that sums up everything, or most everything that is going on within the heavens as the forecast until the next lunar cycle. Thank you for listening.